Presenting boAt Tone 352 Bluetooth speaker. It is available in ranging black, groovy grey and vibing blue color variants. Get ready to be enthralled by the 10 watts RMS stereo sound. It offers IPX7 marked resistance against water and splashes. It supports TWS functionality, meaning you can connect two Tone 352s together and simultaneously play music on both of them for twice the impact. The speaker offers up to a total of 12 hours of playtime per single charge. Get full charge in about 1.5 to 2 hours. You can enjoy your playlists via multiple connectivity modes, namely Bluetooth with 10-meter range, aux and TF card. You can control playback and adjust volume levels with ease courtesy easy-to-access controls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.